What happens after an arrest in Illinois? Hello, I'm Gordon Hirsch, founder of Hirsch Law Group, and this is Inside Criminal Defense. If you're listening to this right now, there's a good chance something serious has just happened. You or someone you care about may have been arrested, charged with a crime, or given a court date. And in a single moment, life can feel uncertain. This is often the point where fear takes over. Questions start racing. Will I go to jail? Will I lose my license? Will this stay on my record? How will this affect my job, my family, and my future? These reactions are completely normal. But the most important thing to understand is this. An arrest is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of a legal process. And what happens in the first few hours and days after an arrest can shape the final outcome more than almost anything else. After an arrest in Illinois, several things begin happening right away. Booking and processing, release decisions, scheduling of court appearances, prosecutor review of the charges, and the early development of evidence. At this stage, the case is still taking shape, which means there may still be opportunities to influence its direction. That is exactly why timing matters so much in criminal defense. In the days following an arrest, people often make decisions that unintentionally make their situation worse. Some of the most common include waiting too long to speak with a defense attorney, discussing the case with friends, family, or online, assuming the charge is minor, missing deadlines or court requirements. Criminal and DUI cases continue moving forward, whether you're prepared or not. Early missteps can limit the options available later. One of the most important truths in criminal defense is this. Strong outcomes often begin long before a trial date. Early legal involvement can influence how charges are filed or amended, whether evidence is challenged, or limited opportunities for reduction, dismissal, or supervision, and ultimately how your record, license, and freedom are affected. Because in the legal system, time is not neutral. It either works for your defense or against it. If you or someone close to you has been arrested, the most important next step is not to panic. It's getting clear, informed legal guidance as early as possible. At Hirsch Law Group, our role is to understand exactly what happened, explain the risks honestly, identify every available legal strategy, and begin building a defense designed to protect your future. This is not just about a case, it's about your life moving forward. If you or someone close to you is facing a criminal, DUI, or serious traffic charge, don't wait to get answers. I'm Gordon Hirsch, and this is Inside Criminal Defense.